Hello and welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's video, we're going to see how we can collect payments from the user in the chat itself. For that, you need to integrate the payments chat components in the WhatsApp chat flows, and this will allow the user to select a product from the catalog if he likes something, add it to the cart, and then place the order in the WhatsApp chat itself by making the payment. So let's see how we can do it. So log into your BotPenguin dashboard, then open your WhatsApp bot and click on edit your chat flow. Now select chat flow where you want to integrate the payments chat components. So if you see here trigger action, if you expand it, there you will see there are two types of payment chat components which are provided by the WhatsApp bot in the BotPenguin dashboard. So the first one is regular payments, the second one is WhatsApp payments. First, let's see what are regular payments. So if you're integrating the regular payments chat component in the chat flow, let's see how we can configure it. So this message, you can edit it, and then the next step is to select a payment gateway that you use in your business. Then select a currency as per your country. So the next option is to choose the payment amount. So either you can fill an amount here, but if the user is selecting a product from the catalog, adding to the cart, and wants to place an order for that same product, you don't know the amount will be same or not. So in that case, you won't know prior what will be the amount that you have to collect. So in that case, you don't know what is the exact amount that you have to collect at this moment. All right. So what you can do is you can save the amount of the order that the user wants to place in a variable, and then you can call that variable here. So as we do in the custom attributes. So you can call the variable here. All right. And then there are two conditional flows here. If you want to redirect the user to a chat flow when the payment is successful, you can select the chat flow whichever are there for your WhatsApp bot. Or if the payment has been failed, you can select a chat flow for that also. And if you don't want to select any chat flows, you want your user to go to another chat component, you can just select it from here, whatever is there in the current chat flow. So this is how you can configure your regular payments. Now let's see how to configure WhatsApp payments. Please note that the WhatsApp payments feature is only available in India and Singapore. So you'll be able to use only if you're based in either of these two countries. I'll tell you how to configure this, but first we'll have to see how to make a configuration of your payment gateway in your Meta account. So open business.facebook.com. Select the business portfolio, go to business settings, click on WhatsApp accounts, then select the business portfolio with which your WhatsApp bot is connected. Then go to WhatsApp Manager, and now we will select the country for which we want to configure the WhatsApp payments. So as you can see, I've already done this configuration, but I'll tell you how you can do it if you're doing it for the first time. So click on New Configuration, then Get Started. Then you need to select your payment gateway. Then you need to provide the details here. You can give a name. So by this name, the configuration will be visible here. So click on Next. Then you need to provide your Facebook password. Then you can confirm, and accordingly you can follow the steps and you'll be able to configure your WhatsApp payments here. So when the status shows active here, you'll be able to configure this into your chat flow. So now this is my WhatsApp payments chat component. I can edit this message if I want to. Then I can either insert a custom attribute for the image URL, or I can upload a picture from here. It could be a scan code or anything else. So this picture could be a scan code for collecting the payments via WhatsApp payments. And then when you click on here, select payment configuration, you will see the configuration that you just did in your Meta account. And then you can choose the next chat component where you want to trigger, and then you can choose the next component where you want to redirect your user. So this is how you can integrate the payments in your WhatsApp chat flow. And that's it for today's video.